Hey guys, it is Andre, and today I am coming at you with a plan with me in my Erin Condren vertical neutral for the week of December 18th through the 24th. This week I am using the Yule Ball kit, which is inspired obviously by the Wizarding World Yule Ball. I love the colors of this kit, and laid down it is so pretty. So if you are sleeping on this kit, you need to pick it up because it is gorgeous. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. So this week was actually the week that I went to my oldest friend Bree's baby shower. So I thought this really worked well with kind of being wintry party kind of vibes. I am using hollow foil with it. I used our winter samplers, which are like snowflake samplers, along with some Sadie stickers, bottom washi, and then I think I just used a lot of snowflakes just because there was a lot of snowflakey kind of elements in the art, and I just thought it looked really, really cool. I feel like this would also be really pretty for January, or like I said, for a winter wedding, or just an anytime wedding, baby shower, bridal party, whatever. I think it's just such a pretty collection. So I am just doing my normal, where I am doing my bougie boxes and just staggering them full boxes. Normally I put my double box on Saturday and Sunday, but because the baby shower was on Sunday, I wanted to use this little quote box. I don't remember who it's from, but it says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." And I just thought that was really cute because that was the day of the baby shower. So I kind of wanted to do something cute there. I didn't use any extenders or anything this week. I thought I might have to, but I kind of just, sometimes I use extenders if I'm like, oh my God, I have to put all this in. But if I don't, then I just kind of like narrow down to like my favorite things of the day, and also just feeling how like ambitious I'm feeling that day, you know what I mean? And if I don't feel like dealing with extenders, which are not that big of a deal, but it's just easier this way, you know what I mean? So yeah, I love the colors of this kit. I love how it would look. It would look really pretty with silver, rose gold, hollow. I think it would look good with any foil, even gold. Like if you wanted to be real fancy, I think it'd be really pretty. We actually have a wiggle that was delivered that I think would also look really well with, like, look really good with this. We have a lot of wiggles. We had 1,500 pounds of foil delivered on Black Friday weekend that we have to go through. By the time that you see this video, I think we will have, or no, actually we won't, because I'm going to put this video up. I'm aligning my videos. I actually just wrote down all my videos for the next month and hoping to get them all up in that time, so I'm like caught up, and then I'll just be like, wow, I only have 2 videos per week, my plan with me and my new release video, and then it's kind of like I could do whatever I want to do. So yeah, and then on the top, I didn't use deco. I haven't really used deco on the top of my planner in months, I think, but I just went ahead and took the little deco pieces from the snowflake sheets and kind of just like alternated and stacked them in different ways. But I just really love this spread. I think it's so cute. Yeah, so I don't really know what else to say. Oh, look at that. We ended pretty much at the same time. I went ahead and like only sped it up 1.5 today. Normally I speed it up by 2, so let me know if you guys prefer this speed to the other speed. I feel like whenever I pre-pull stickers, which I did do for this spread, I haven't done it in like forever. Pre-pulled stickers means that I just like pulled all of my character stickers for the week rather than like digging through my binder. It's totally fine to do it at 1.5 because I have all the stickers pulled already. I'm going to try and work on not turning my planner so you guys don't have to turn your head and maybe zooming in a little bit more. I got a lot of things I could probably work on. If you have anything else, let me know in the comments down below. Or, as long as it's nice and I can actually like work on it. So on my sidebar, I did put that I was 18 weeks pregnant this week. I'm currently 20 weeks pregnant, and it's just getting to be like, okay, let's just do this already. And then under that, I did put PA for baby shower. I think I did that towards the end maybe though. On Monday, I did put in that I colored Emily's hair. I went over to work and colored her hair a darker red. I think it's probably her best hair color yet, TBH. And it suits her very well. Then I did put that I uploaded videos. I think I like edited, uploaded, filmed, but I just put upload. And I used a paper and milk sticker for that. The sticker I used for coloring Emily's hair is actually a Emily custom from our Munchkin pack that's currently on the website. It comes with 4 sheets of stickers, one of my customs, one of Kirsten's customs, one of Emily's customs, and one of Jessica's customs. I showed them in this past week's plan with me, and I just thought it would look really cute if I used a Emily custom here. Then I put in that I went to Red Robin with Nick. I think I went to Red Robin 1, 2, 3, 4. I went 5 times this week because that is, I think, a pregnancy craving. And I can actually go for one right now, but it's not going to happen today. I put in that I was so tired. I don't know why I was so tired, but just life gets you tired a little. And then I put in that I took a long shower, and then I watched, I think I was like designing something or doing something. I don't always put in when I'm working, because I feel like then I'm always working. Like, even I'm not actually at work, I'm at home doing something for work, like designing a kit, organizing something, ordering something, answering customer service emails, on social media for something, da 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 da. So yeah, I was working, and I was watching Let It Snow, which is like, I think, a Netflix movie. It was like really cheesy and kind of like Love Actually style kind of movie. Like, as far as like many storylines, is that what Love Actually is? I'm pretty sure. Or like the Valentine's Day movie, or the New Year's Eve movie, or the Christmas movie. Is there a Christmas movie? I don't know. And then I put in that we got our Christmas pictures through email. That is the last thing that I have on Monday. Which are super cute. We didn't end up doing Christmas pictures with us this year. We just did them of Bennett, because I didn't feel like getting like fancied up. And I think I mentioned this before, where I liked the ones from last year with us, but I ended up just like mostly using the Bennett ones just because he's so dang cute. And like next year I'm gonna have 2 of them in pictures, and I'm gonna die. I am gonna die. But we got those in the email late that evening. So we looked at those, and I was like, oh my God. Then on Tuesday, I had an ultrasound, and then it took forever. I posted on Instagram. It took like 4 hours. It was so long. And the doctor apologized and said it normally doesn't take that long, and we have to go back in a month to do another one because of the way that like the baby was laying. He had his hands over his chest, and he was facing up, so like they couldn't get like good heart pictures. So we have to go back in a month. And he was like, oh, this isn't like normal, like something happened. And we like, before we even went, we like thought there might be something going on, just because they emailed us that our appointment time was an hour prior to our actual appointment time. And then Nick called, and they said, yeah, your appointment is at 9, not 10. And we were like, okay, well, we're ready. And we went in, and we waited till I think 10:30 to be called in. So we waited an hour and a half, and then we waited over an hour and a half in the room. And then the like nurse came in, and then we waited another half an hour for the ultrasound tech. The ultrasound tech was like real cool though. Like, I was into that. And then the doctor, he's fine. I don't know. I really like my doctor, so I'm not like, And then I put that I was in my feelings, because I was. And then I went to Chewy's with Nick. Actually, I only went to Red Robin then 4 times, but I did also get a salad at Chewy's. I love their salads. They're so yummy. We ate outside though, and I regretted it instantly, because there was like leaves falling into everything, because it's like kind of fall in November here. And also like little bugs are kind of gross. There was like a spider crawling on my leg. And then later on in the evening, Nick and I went to Uchiko, which I just feel like I needed like that. Like, obviously Chewy's, I was just kind of like sitting there like annoyed. And it wasn't about like waiting, because like whatever, but it was other stuff. But I needed Uchiko to like heighten my mood and eat all of the edamame in the world. And then we went to Target on our way home, because I think Bennett needed chocolate milk, and if he doesn't have chocolate milk, someone's going to hear about it. And then Nick's dad and Nick put up our Christmas lights this day. It was like in between Chewy's and going to Uchiko, but I put it at the end because we actually got to like see the lights on, which was cool. So that was fun. We're definitely like the first person in our neighborhood on the 19th of November who put our lights up. I feel like everyone like the weekend of Thanksgiving puts their lights up, but I was like, I mean, if you're doing all this work, you might as well just do it in November, like early November. Then on Wednesday, I ordered Christmas cards, because like I said, I did get those Christmas pictures in the email on Monday. So I wanted to get those ordered, because I didn't know how long they would take. I actually got them already, which is annoying. Like, I just don't understand it, like how this happened. I'm actually going to have to email them when I get off of here, which I'm going to write that down. But I ordered like Christmas cards from Minted, which I feel like is kind of like luxury, like you get foil and stuff like on the picture, so it's like a process, do you know what I mean? Like a process I feel like I need this to be even slower. Dang, I'm going so fast. But I ordered those, and I was like, okay, these will probably take a while. They quoted like December 2nd. They got here like 2 weeks ago. Like literally, I think they got there the Monday after I ordered them, which was so fast. And then I ordered on the same day, I ordered little collage pictures from Snapfish, like just your plain, boring, like prints. And I got a collage picture to put in of like, I did like a Christmas card, and then I did a collage picture of fall pictures of, I'm pretty sure I did fall pictures of like us as a family, because we did family fall pictures. And I still have not got the Snapfish ones. It was shipped UPS, and then it said that it was forwarded to my post office, like not forwarded to the post office, but the USPS would be delivering them. And I haven't gotten anything since. Like that was like the end of November, like November 28th maybe. Is that right? Yeah. No, maybe it was the 27th, because I think it was, or maybe it was the 28th. It was like Thanksgiving. But I'm gonna have to look into that, and there's like no tracking with the USPS. So I'm like kind of annoyed because I'm like sitting here like, okay, I have my Christmas cards, but I can't ship them because I don't have the other part of it. So that's where I'm at right now. In case you were wondering, my Christmas card drama, normally there's none, but this year there is some. And then I went to work, and then I had another doctor's appointment, which is just one of those doctor's appointments where you like literally go in and then they're like, are you good? And then you're like, yep. And then they're like, touch your stomach. And then they're like, okay, they're good. And then they like send you on your way. Then I had new releases, which I have new releases today in 45 minutes. And then I went to Red Robin because I read Robin. There's 3 Red Robins in Austin. And I hit them all up, and they're all like South Austin. The other 2 are like northish Austin, but like not super close, like 10 to 20 minutes from me, I guess. I wish there was one like across the street. It doesn't really go with the domain though, I don't think. So Red Robin, and then I filmed. And then Bubba was in a big mood this day, so I put that down and I watched The Good Doctor. On Thursday, I did edit videos in the morning, and then I think I edited it and filmed. And then I went to ramen with Emily and Nick. We went to Ramen Tatsuya, and then we ran over to Target since it's in the same parking lot because we needed to get something else. I don't remember what it was, but I was like, we need to go get it today. I don't remember what it was. But Nick got a new toothbrush, so that's all I actually remember from that day. And then I wrote, you guessed it, because I got more Red Robin, I think, for dinner. We went, like, when we picked up Benna from school, we went to Red Robin, and then afterwards we went to the park because we picked him up a little bit early, and that's normally, like, his outside time, and he was, like, jonesing to play outside. So we went over to the park, and then I put in family cuddles. On Friday, I put in that I squeezed B. I was so upset because I forgot that I was leaving and I wouldn't see him. I was assuming I had like most of the day with him, and then I was going to leave to go to Pennsylvania, but I forgot he goes to school. So I woke up and I was like so sad because Nick was like, all right, like he's got to go to school. And I was like, wait, what? And then, yeah. And I was like, I'm not going to see him till Monday. I thought it would get easier over time, but it doesn't, I don't think. I think like sometimes it does, but I feel like also, I don't know. I just feel like he's in school, so I get to see him on Monday through Friday, but not as much as I get to see him on the weekends. So I feel like he was in school Monday to Friday, and then I was away Saturday and Sunday, and then he was in school. Well, actually, it was kind of nice. I didn't know, but it was kind of nice that he got sick. That's not what I meant. He got sick then the next week, and he ended up being home for like a week. So he wasn't actually like really sick though. Like he just had a fever the one day, and then that was it. But like we weren't going to send him back to school for one day to like come home for 5 days. So it all ended up working out, but like in my head, I was like, I'm not going to see him until Thanksgiving because that's when he's not at school. Just a weird mom, I don't know. And then we went to Ziggy's, which was like a new Polish restaurant that opened up probably like, I think the week before, or maybe like 2 weeks ago, I don't know. But they have pierogies and they're like very, very good. And then I cuddled with Nick until we had to leave for the airport. I actually like ate some really good food in the airport. There's some really good food in the Austin airport. If you're ever flying into Austin or out of Austin, eat food in the airport because you can hit up a lot of things in the airport. So I flew home, and in the plane I did do a lot of design work. I did spring multicolor one of the flights, and then the other flight I watched the Shane Dawson finale, which I was just like on the edge of my seat the whole time because I feel like I was just like amazed at the numbers. They had 2.5 million people on Shopify. And it's not even like they said that and like they showed us they showed the Shopify page. 2.5 million, which is just wild. And I actually did I just was like, bleh. So I watched that on my second flight, and then I think I just watched some of my a part of my TV show on the rest of the flight because it was a short flight. The second flight was the blah, 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 blah. Then on Saturday we woke up and went to Country View Diner. It's just me going home, which is wild, and everything just there's new stuff, but it mostly is the same. So me, Bree, and Bruce went to Country View Diner in the morning, and then we went to Target because if I go to Bree's and don't go to Target, did I even go to Bree's at all? And then we went over to Costco because Bree and Bruce had never been to Costco, which is just wild to me, but they were kids in candy store, and it was super cute. So we did that, and then me and Bree went to Ruby Tuesdays, and then afterwards we went back to their house, and then we went over to see Mam's house, which is Bree's grandmother, and I only found out what her name was actually 2 years ago, which is wild because I've been friends with Bree for 14 years, I feel like, Well, actually, I think it's 13 years, but you know what I mean. So we went to go see her new house, and then we went to get ice cream at McDonald's, which I very much so regretted afterwards. And then we just relaxed. Whew. Whew. Then on Sunday, I did my hair and makeup because it was the day of Bree's baby shower. And then I drove with Ma'am to the baby shower so that we could set up. We set up for like 3 hours, and there was like a bunch of us setting up. Then I put setup time, and then it was Bree's baby shower, which was super cute. Had some pretty good food. I got to see my friend Jen, who I feel like I've seen her actually a lot. I've seen her probably 3 or 4 times since I moved. Probably seen her more since I moved than whenever I was at home. But we were like really, really close friends in like junior year, but got to hang out with her. And then I put in chill time because we just went back to Bree's house and took the tags off of the enormous pile of baby clothes that this girl got. This girl is going to be dressed. Like, she has like all the clothes. And it's just so wild that Bree's having a baby. It's going to be so cute. And I am actually going home in like a week, and then I'm going to be going back. Bree wants me to come like a week after the baby's born because I think Bruce is going back to work, and I'm going to help. And if she wants to go to Target, I'll just say to baby and cuddle a baby, and it's going to be super cute. And I'm going to be like, hi. And I'm going to be all over babies. I'm going to see all the babies in the next couple of months. And then we watched football, which is so funny. But every time I'm at Bree's, I end up watching football because this girl is obsessed with football. But I hate football, but I love her. So that's everything for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.